All right, let's do this, guys. Welcome, everybody. How are you? How's everybody doing today? We are going live. We are having fun. A lot of things to discuss. So let's do it. Let's do it. Just getting everything ready. If you're in here, say hello. We are looking for some aggressive hellos today. Just one big out hello. Let's see here. Who's J.R. Johnson in the house? Marie Alabre, Marie Ange, welcome. Welcome. All right, we got people going in here right now. What's up, Elliot? How are you, sir? We're going
I'm
live.
all right. I got double feedback. I gotta fix my audio.
Claytiana, Word, welcome. Roger, Andlal, welcome. Let's go. Okay, guys, we're gonna get this started right away. What's up, Jim? Let me get some hellos, man. There's a few of you in here. I'm calling some people out. Just want to say hello. That's part of the deal, man. We want to hear hi. What's up, Mark? Thank you, Ron. Appreciate you, guys. So yeah, today we got some things to go over with you guys. I did want to just let you know, if you haven't seen our YouTube page, definitely check it out. Okay, strongly recommend it. We have some good stuff in there. Just trying to find a page so I actually posted it on the title here. I'm trying to do it one more time for you on here as well. It's a long page, you know how those things are. But yeah. What's up, Lori? So today I want to review a couple things on the market that are really kind of like is showing the signs of a reversal, and it has a lot to do with the retracement. So we're going to get into that in 1 second. Sorry, guys. I'm just trying to post here. All right, here we go. All right. And I'm going to pin it for you guys. I think I could pin it. I can't. Maybe I can. There we go. All right, cool. All right. So let's get this going, guys. So if you have any stocks you want us to review, please let me know. Comment below the stock you really want to see. That's what we're about, is to show you what the deal is with stocks. Again, strongly recommend, if you haven't joined my YouTube channel yet, please go in, subscribe, share it with people. There's some good information. I posted a few videos this month, this week. In fact, I posted one that I go into with one of my one-on-one clients, and you could get to see a little bit inside of that. Also, I had some great mastermind things going on, and I took a clip of that as well, plus some other videos as far as coaching and things like that. Strongly recommend you check it out. Definitely. And I actually have a video right now on there that shows you 2 steps to profit in the stock market. Basically, 2 strategies I use. I break both of them down in this video. So yeah, definitely check it out. Nathaniel Fuchs, welcome. Randy, welcome. All right, so we're going to check out all these stock. Before we do that, let's go into the market and let's review what I see, what's going on, and what do we have to do to make it work. I like what I'm seeing, guys. So again, last time we talked, I told you I see a channel. I like the channel, okay? I'm seeing like a channel kind of coming into the here. You know, it's been very predictable kind of thing going on. But what I like right now that's a little different is the Fibonacci. So when you look at the retracement overall, and I'll take it from where it was at all the way up to where it was, we are at in the middle of a very important spot. So a retracement is when a stock goes down. It went down and went back up, and it's stuck in this little in-between area. What that means is there's a good chance if it finishes at around 385 that this thing's going to go to at least this area here, which is like 393, which could be a big move for the market. Again, do I think we're bullish and the market's ready to? No, we're still in the downward channel, but a nice reversal week. Don't be surprised if we have a nice little bullish run or something like that this specific week right now. So looking forward to that. Made it finally. Good. I'm glad you made it, man. I'm glad you made it. So if you guys have any questions you want me to review with you, by all means, please let me know. I would love to talk to you about anything. That's what we're here for. And again, check out my YouTube channel, strongly recommended. We got the whole Predator course on there. There's a lot of stuff on there right now. And every live we have, every replay, Sir Elliot posts it on there for me. So you'll never miss a beat. And you'll see why we are 98% winning ratio right now. Cool. So let's get this going, guys. We got a bunch of stuff as far as stocks going on here. Let's see. So again, if I was looking at the market with you guys right now, what I would say is please be careful. Wait for it to get to a certain point. So to me, if it gets through like this 385, we're looking at a beautiful move to the top. So we can start looking at some bullish plays for the week. If it hits this channel here, obviously, please be careful as well. It has to break this channel, All I'm seeing is I like to see that there's some good movement that's lagging to the top. We're just waiting for it to actually go into real time. All right, guys, let's get this going. So we got a few stocks here for us. We got one that's RBLX. All right, so this one is by Ace. Our boy Ace, really like what you found here. So what he's finding here, he's actually one of my clients here. Good dude. You could see he had a nice little flagpole and then a beautiful consolidation play. Look at that. And then you see that it broke out of this flag pattern with substantial volume right here. So you could see beautiful volume. We got a nice little momentum to the top right here. Very nice play. Very nice. I think we could definitely get in on something like this. I don't think it's over. You know, and sometimes moves like this could happen to the downside, which is fine too. You know, that's why what's cool about what we teach in our classes is doesn't matter what the market is. You know, you could see here it kind of came to the downside right after that and had a few good days to the downside. Right now, I'm liking the upside, especially in this crazy market right now. Not only that, it broke through this channel. So again, Ace, man, great job. Always pulling those aces out. So this one is going on our list, Mr. Elliott. So, you know, did we have anyone from last week? Anything I put on the list? I think I only had like one.
It was only
You
one.
have those, Elliott? Sorry, guys. We were like separated. Elliott, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Oh, sorry. I have you on volume 1. Can you hear me?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, there we go. Okay. Yeah. Do you have which ones we did last?
We only had a lift to the downside.
Yeah. So I'm just gonna show you kind of what my play for last week, and you could see, guys, this was a really good play. If you played it, good job. We called it to the downside. So that was when
the 28th.
So
the big red candle
right here. So it went from it was around in between, like right here when I remember. So it went from around, I would say, don't quote me on this exactly, around 15-ish, all the way down to 13 and a half. Another great play called by us. That's what we do. And if you want to learn how to do these type of plays and you're not in our elite group yet, you should definitely get on that for sure. Just comment elite below and we would love to talk to you and help you out with that. All right, what's your next? Oh, sorry, I got. Then we got SHEL to the downside. Let me guess. This one is also Ace. Yeah. So what we're looking at over here, really nice play. So I don't like a lot of gaps in stocks. So that's the only thing that concerns me a little bit. However, I do love to see the stock breaking a 200-day moving day average. Okay, we had this downturn, we had a little upswing, and now it's breaking this with pretty strong volume. I'm going to say we have another day ahead of us, just like it. Unless something happens at the end, I would like it to finish around 48 where it's at, or higher or lower. And then we could play that to the downside for sure. So I would say good one, just we have to wait to see it to the downside. That's all. But I would say, I don't know if I want to put on my favorite. The only reason something about these gaps throw me off. It's just a lot of gaps. But I do like the ABCD pattern. So you can see it goes from A to B, B to C, C to D, and it's continuing through that. So You know what? And it's breaking this support line. So I'm gonna say I'm gonna put this on my favorites as
Yeah.
well.
I would say if you don't like this one, I'm sure there's other energy ones that are probably
Yeah,
doing
no,
the
this is a
same
good one.
thing.
This is a good one. AMD. And we could look at that, and depending on how many stocks we have, maybe we'll look at some of the energy sector right now. So this one here, not a huge fan. I feel like the stock's very stretched to the downside. You could see it's already kind of falling down. Now, it could come back up. So that's probably what we're looking at because there is a decent candle, but that's just one candle. What I would like to see is see the stochastics go a little bit higher here. I'd like to see these to be a little bit higher. So to me, right now, and as we speak, I would wait. I would wait. I think we just need to see this start to reverse. So if we have a nice strong candle again as a confirmation, that would be big. But we don't have a confirmation just yet. What's up, Shane? How are you, man? Shane Pennant, welcome. James Lewis, Dylan Baker, Rohit Dubey. What up? What up? Are you putting all the stocks in here?
Yeah, yeah.
I see MU in here. I don't see it on here. And there's a few other ones. ARKK, I see. All right, cool. So that's the deal. Again, guys, if you haven't checked out my YouTube channel, definitely check it out. I pinned it there for you. Got some great videos for you. And if you haven't joined our elite group yet, you could just comment elite below. We could have a conversation and see if this could be something for you, or we could teach you how to trade. AMD, especially right now with the recession talks and everything, this is a great time to really get this going. You know, these are going to be great opportunities. Nike, another one. So again, this is very kind of, I feel like Nike's like also it's following this downward channel. I like what you're seeing as far as seeing a reverse, but there's again nothing there to let me know for a fact that's going to happen, and that could be a problem. So we want to see a little bit more. We want to see a little bit more. So maybe if it finishes a little bit stronger, but you can see decreasing volume could be a problem for us. This is just beginning to turn. All this is to me right now is a watch list. Put it on the watch list. This could be big for us, but not just yet. ARKK. ARKK is being rejected. Oh, you're not here, Elliot. I can't go like this to you. Boom. Rejected. So when you're looking at something like that, guys, you see this 50-day moving day average. That's been a strong rejection line, and you can see it's right next to it. So to invest in something like that, especially with decreasing volume right now, might be a risk because there's a good chance it might pop open again, pop down again. What you want to see is get this thing to 46 or 47 and a half, somewhere there. Well, now we're breaking this resistance right here, and we broke the 50-day moving day average. Now we're talking. Now I think that's a bullish play, but you don't want to guess. That's how people gamble their money away. We're not trying to gamble. We want to play it like a business, and that's what we do. We go for MU. Let's check out MU. MU's not there. I don't know what's going on. Is that a real stock?
Yeah, it is. It's Micron. It's a real stock.
I don't know. Or maybe it's my internet. Can you hear me?
Yeah.
I don't know. Oh, there we go. Okay, so this one, you said you like this one, Elliot?
No. I said it's a real stock. That's all.
Okay. Yeah, so this one, I love the candle. I love that it's going up. A lot of people might see, oh man, this is good. Now, we do have a lot of volume, so I like that. But I also want to urge you to be careful when you're seeing it right next to this short-term moving day average, because a lot of times this will reject it. So we've got to be very, very careful with that. It is following this channel as well. So got to be very, very careful here. You see how this one here popped up, but then the second day it kind of had that nice over the top of the 50. Right now, this one is like just having a good day, and I feel like it might pop up. I would watch it because I do like the momentum and I do like the volume. I just need a little bit more confirmation. So some of these stocks are not bad. You need a little more confirmation. All right. Let's see what else we got. SLB. SLB is way too stretched to the downside. All right, so we see how there's a 200-day moving day average. It broke through that. If anything, maybe to the downside, this could be good. It is a little bit on the bearish. It is decreasing in volume. However, if I look at it from that point of view here, hold on, sorry about that, guys. Somewhere around here. Yeah, I mean, I like that one to the downside. Maybe we have another good day in it for sure. Just careful with the volume, that's all. But definitely not bad. Definitely not bad if that is to the downside. If it's to the upside, absolutely not. CPNG. All right, this one's not too bad, man. This one has a lot of volume. I love that. I love the volume. Yesterday was a good time to get in. I don't know now. Now the volume's still up, so if you're in it, I wouldn't get out of it. We are coming a little closer to this area. In fact, we're here. So if it finishes above it, I would say we have another good day, but that's it. You know, this does not have too many good days usually. If you look here, you could see you had this move here. 1, 2, 3 was max. 1, 2, and then it's kind of third was max. Maybe a little bit there and there, but now we're taking risks. So you might have, you might get in on it now and have another okay day, but I would wait till the end of the day, see where it ends up. All right, if increase, cool. Where to next? Let's see. BBI.
Yeah.
BBI.
That's one of those
BBI is
biotechs.
you know, when you see things like BBI, you know, you see a lot of very small amounts of volume for the most part. Right now, it's even under $1 million. So this is something you're taking just a lot of risk. I usually don't trade anything that's at least $1 million in volume. These are just crazy news-driven pieces here. So to me, I would not mess with this. Randy Reese, welcome. Are there any other ones here?
Yeah, I just updated.
Oh, okay, I see it. X. So this one again, very stretched from the very stretched. Very stretched. So you can see it bounced here, went all the way down, but now it's so stretched from these lines here that I'm concerned. I think it's gonna have a chance to really kind of start reversing back to its normal piece. So I would not mess with that one either. All right, XOM. Let's see here. I like that. Well, it's kind of bouncing off here. So this is something you would want to put on a watch list and see if it's going to actually do something. BBI, what is he saying? Did a 45-to-1 split? Don't really understand. Oh yeah, so you explained that. Okay, cool. So on this one here, oh, we talked about BBI. On this one here, like because we're hit over this area, I would say right now, I would not mess with this. I would like to see a reversal. I'd like to get it back to like around 95, 96. What that means is we might have that nice retracement piece. So let's just say we look over here, you know,
Yeah.
you would see, yeah. So I said 95, 96, right around 97-ish. We might start seeing a nice move to the top and then get it all the way back to like 105, 106. But we need to see the momentum start shifting there. Hope that helps. Any other stock? IBM? All right, IBM, I like where it's at as far as I know it fell down strong today, but it did hit this 50-day moving day average, which seems to be a rejection line. So that could be something big, especially the fact that it's going into this channel. If we start seeing, not today, but if we maybe tomorrow start seeing another one of these strong green candles, that's a good sign to get in. And we might have a beautiful run to the top for sure. For sure. And we have, of course, our special guest today, my daughter. My daughter wanted to say hi. Come here, Emma. I want you to say hi to everybody. We're looking at IBM right now. What's your favorite stock? Is it IBM? Do you like IBM?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Yeah, she's a big fan of IBM. She's more of a Mac person. Everybody say hi, Emma. She likes to look at the screen and see all the hearts. So there's a little heart right here. Say hi, Elliot.
Hi, Elliot.
What's up, Emma?
All right, cool. Yeah, so see all these people here, they're gonna give you hearts. Okay, see, so that guy gave you a heart. Thank you, guys. Say thank you for the hearts.
Thank you for the heart.
Say more hearts, more hearts.
More hearts, more hearts,
She gets so excited about these hearts. I'm telling you, something with this Instagram culture. Oh, look, Jeff gave me a heart. Remember Jeff? Tall guy. Tall guy, remember? Let me see what else we got here. All right, cool, cool. So what do you, Emma, do you think we're bullish or bearish right now? Yeah, right? I think we're a little bullish too. People just don't know. Oh, look, Lori said hi, Emma. Look how many hearts she gave you.
Oh my gosh.
Say thank you.
Thank you.
Oh,
All
my
right, cool,
gosh.
cool. You want to go over a stock with me, Emma, while I do it? All right, let's do a stock together. All right, what did Elliot give us here? Oh, he gave us dash to the upside, okay? So let's look at dash to the upside. So we're going to go DASH. Okay, Emma, so if you look here, right now, looks like we have, you see this little green candle here? So this green candle right now is so bullish and it's breaking above the 50-day moving day average. So that's good. I love what I'm seeing. I'd like to see a little more volume on here. 4 million is not bad. It's a little flat, but I'm going to say I like it. As long as it keeps this amount here, I think tomorrow is going to be big. High five on the big. Ow! She's got some big high fives. All right, good stuff. We're going to go into plug, okay? You like plugs? All right, so we're going to look at plug. Oh, see, I'm not typing. You have to tell me these things, Emma. All right. All right, plug. So what do we have here? Looks like to me.
Little plugger.
Oh, wait, I don't see the screen here. People are, yep, I see people are still giving you hearts. Jim Mundi gave you a heart. You see that? Tell everybody, join Vlad's YouTube channel.
Join Vlad's YouTube channel.
That's right. She likes YouTube Kids more. I'm not on there yet. All right, so on here, you could see we have a nice downward section coming up, and it's also kind of consolidating. What I'd like to see, Emma, is get this stock to 20. If it gets to 20, it breaks through this, even 19. I say 20, so it breaks that resistance as well, and that covers all angles. And then we're going to the top.
Upper room.
Top.
The upper
Right?
room.
All right, cool. Where to next? So then we got AVA. All right, AVA looks all over the place. So this is what we call extreme volatility. All right, say volatility.
Volatility.
Yep.
Mhm.
Yeah, so this stock kind of went down, went really high up, and today it just fell down. These are things you want to just avoid, right? We don't want a stock that just constantly doing all these moves, because you could you could make a lot, but you could lose a lot. And especially when you're looking at a stock that has this amount of volume, anything could throw this off. So anything, just have a rule for yourself. Anything under 1,000, just don't trade. All right. What else we got here?
BP. Okay, they just sent 2 more.
BP.
Yep.
So BPAs. Again, I told you I'm not a fan of these like gaps. All right, so the gaps are not my thing. However, what I am looking at here is, what am I looking at here, Emma? I'm looking at this. It's breaking the resistance, right? And what do we see here? I'm sorry, support. It's breaking the support. And it's decreasing volume. So that's another thing here. It's decreasing volume. So I don't know, Ace. I loved a lot of volume. So we might have another good day in it. It's just too many inconsistencies here. And you can see how they just fluctuate. I'm going to skip on this one for now. I do see what you see, but I can't make a call on that. Amazon's not looking too bad. Not looking too bad. Now I know we had so Amazon did the split, right? So a lot more affordable now.
A lot more affordable.
A lot more, right?
Nice bid ass spreads.
Remember what used to be 3,000?
They got good bid ass spreads now.
They do?
Yeah, much better for sure.
Okay, good. Yeah, so this could be something really good you could buy for the long term for sure. We just if you want a good play to get in, I love the candle right here. I just want to see it get to 120. You get to 120, now we got an A to B, B to C, and then we're out the gate on that one. Hope that helps everybody. What's up, Frank Larby? Welcome, everybody. Matthew Pizzolato. Welcome, brother. Thank you for giving us a stock. D Her says, oh, D said, hi, Emma.
Hat.
See, everybody's giving you highs. All right, yeah, so it's looking pretty good, man. It's looking pretty good. Again, some of these stocks are not bad at all. Some just need some confirmation for sure. So guys, I just wanted to kind of show you just so you see for yourself. This is my YouTube channel here. If when you go on it, the link is pinned. You could see I have a few videos up here. Some people are asking me, okay, what is what? So on here, you could have playlists. In the playlist, we have different things like trading strategies, mindset. This is a big one, mindset. I put 3 videos in there because it gives you the psychology of everything. You got the coaching session. So I'm actually, if you click on here, you will see I have a coaching session in here right now with one of my clients. He's actually on here right now as we speak. So just kind of a snippet of what we went over. And also later on, I'm going to be posting a video of our mastermind group, a little snippet of what we went over on there. It talks about whether you should trade stocks or options and why. Okay. And then you got the Predator course. So the whole thing is on here, guys. Well, and you got Grant Cardone, but you got the whole thing on here after the ad. So we got that as well. Get them out of here before I start getting blocked from Facebook. Here we got also all our stocks to buy and why. So you see 41 videos. The last 41 episodes we had are on here for you to watch. So you could see exactly what we did, how accurate we were. Like I said, we're at 98% for this year. So it's pretty freaking amazing. So there's a reason why, and you could see every single piece, right? So definitely check that out. I have definitely share it with other people. I strongly would love for you to do that. We're going to continue posting more videos. The more people we get subscribed, the more videos we're going to post. I think this is going to be very important for people's knowledge and understanding. Anybody have any more stocks to review? Anything else at all? Okay, cool. So, Elliot, any other ones we have?
Ford just popped up.
Which one? Go ahead.
Ford.
Ford. Let's look at Ford. Ford. So Ford is Ford. You know, it's still at a downward channel. If for some reason everybody asks me about Ford, it never really comes up to be good. So for some reason, but right now it has a nice hammer candle. But again, it's way below its averages. I love the volumes increasing, a huge amount of volume. But again, because it's so below its averages, I can't give you a right reading on it because we're just waiting. Mark Cunningham, Jose Perez, Frank Larby. What's up, guys? How are you? Cool, cool, cool. So we got a lot of cool stuff here going on. Anybody else have any other stocks you want me to review with you? All right. And if you haven't checked out our webinar, definitely check out our webinar. If you're interested, comment webinar below. I give you my 6 steps to 6 figures that I use to make money on the market. So we got a lot of cool stuff here for you guys. If there's not any more stocks, let me see. We got Snapchat up, S&P. I don't know what that is.
CSX just popped up.
Huh?
CSX.
I see Snap and PLTR too.
Oh, I didn't see those pop.
Okay, say bye, everybody.
Bye.
I'll talk to you later. Give me a kiss. Mwah. Go.
Why not?
There's always Bella.
There's always Bella.
There's always Bella.
Me to bring Bella.
No, let her sleep. Bella's chilling today.
She's not even sleeping.
Yeah, this one's not bad. I like Snapchat. I usually am not a fan of the stock, but I like that it came up, came down, and now it's actually has a nice solid candle off the bounce. Volume is pretty strong. It is a little bit decreasing, but not too bad. I would say, I don't know, man. If it finishes a little bit stronger, I'd like it. I'm trying to see where else it did this before. You could see right here. So I think we have a good day in it after today. So Snapchat, I'd say pretty good on it. I'm not 100% on that one just because of the volume. It's very low. So CSX. CSX is just broke down from this consolidation. But again, it's been going to a downward channel. I think it has another good day in it. 14 million just bounced off to the downside. So I'd say another good day to the downside on that one. And we got PLTR. Oh, I like this one too. Who gave us these stocks?
I didn't see who. That Snap and PLTR still haven't popped up on my
Of
feed.
course, it's Ace. Yeah, I like this one again. I love that it's bouncing off the average. Beautiful, solid candle. A lot of volume. It's a little flat, but it's actually pretty strong. 33 million. Definitely a fan. Up, down, up. Perfect play. I'm gonna put this on my list as well. The only issue I have with this doesn't have options. So, why don't this? I didn't know that it doesn't have options. I think it does.
It does. It does. They probably haven't updated it on this.
Yeah, but I think it's had options for a while.
Yeah. I didn't want to down talk them in front of everyone.
Okay, this one here, crowd strike. Excuse me, crowd strike. Bounced off the average, also pretty good stock. I like it. 4.5 million. I love that it's like bounced down, bounced up. At this point right now, I would just be a little concerned because it is hitting the resistance. So if it breaks this resistance right here, so like 195, we're looking at a great play, but it has to break it. Otherwise, you could see it bounce down. So just a matter of waiting. La Booyah, welcome. What else we got? So we did crowd, BYD.
BYD.
BYD looks like we have a nice move to the top. The only thing is I'm not big on this stock, guys, just because it's, you could see I don't trade anything at this. It's just hard to predict. It's very small amount of volume, very small amount. You want at least 1,000, a million. Oh yeah, a million. Yeah, a million.
Yeah.
I don't know what got caught up to me. Couple good things in here, but the decreasing volume is very concerning. So I would not do that. What should I look for when I'm reading a stock chart? New beginners. La Booyah, what I would recommend is check out our Predator course. So if you click on the YouTube channel there, there's a whole section on it. I'll just show it to you right here. So if you click on the YouTube channel and you click this stock Predator, right there. So what I'll do is I'll actually give you, I'll give you a link right now for it. So if you want it. Actually, Elliot, do you have it? Oh no.
The Predator?
The Predator course, maybe you could send
I don't
it
have that
out.
link.
Huh?
I don't have that link.
Okay, I'll send it out for you right now. I strongly recommend you check it out. It's 5 pieces to it, but it's actually going to show you the whole how it works, everything, like what you could read on the chart, or check out our webinar as well. But I think for you, what you're talking about would really help. So yeah, let me see. I'm just trying to copy that link. So yeah, just go in there, click on playlists, and you're good to go. Hope that helps.
Oh,
Anybody
you're talking about the
else?
YouTube link. I could have sent
Yeah.
that. I thought you were talking about the actual.
No. In the
I
YouTube,
gotcha.
you could actually just send just
Yeah.
the playlist. Yeah, yeah. Just click on the link below, Labaya, and it's right there. What's up, Denise Mitchell? Welcome. All right, let's check out one more stock here. Seems like it's not a lot of people do. Oh, DLTRs here. This one is a little too stretched for me right now, but I mean, it could do pretty well. So it's just a risk if you're okay. I love the momentum. I love everything on here. But then again, when I look at it, maybe it is not that stretched just because it just broke through here. So yeah, not a bad play, actually. I think you might have another good part to the downside. So good call on that, Ace, for sure. For sure. AR, what else we got? DLTR. DLTR looks good. Looks good. Decent volume. Just broke out. I mean, I'd
Mhm.
like it to have a little bit more volume, but I would say we have another good day ahead of it for sure. So hope that helps as well. No problem, Labuya. I already said it. Sharon Ott. All right, cool. All right, guys. If you have any questions at all, by all means, always ask. But I'm going to tell you right now, this market is ready to pop. I think we're going to have a few good days. I don't think it's going to be totally bullish and reversal of the whole thing, but I think we're going to have a good week. I think things are looking pretty good. I'm excited. Definitely think it's going to do something. So And if you're interested in getting coaching and you really want to be able to leave your job and do those type of things, be able to spend more time with your kids, obviously take more vacations, things like that, by all means, comment Elite below. I'd love to talk to you about what we do, how we could help you do a one-on-one session with you. We do have free consultation calls, so you either comment Elite below, or you could just DM me personally. I'd love to talk to you and see if this could be the right opportunity for you. Other than that, I will be back on Thursday for all our Elite members. We're going to be going over a whole session on that. So if you're not part of the Elite group, definitely let me know. You don't want to miss out. Those sessions that we went an hour and a half the other day, really into depth. You ask me anything you want. We really go in it pretty tough for sure. Labuya, if you have any more questions, you could DM me personally as well. I know you're new, so if you have any other things you want me to review with you, also I could send you my webinar as well. So just comment below. It's hard for me to send the link for that here. Yeah, so you just definitely DM me. Other than that, guys, it's been an absolute pleasure. I will be seeing you guys all very shortly. Anybody here who's not on the Elite group, I'll be seeing you next Tuesday. Definitely subscribe to my channel. I will be posting a video later today or tomorrow morning with exactly what my Elite groups are doing. So it's pretty cool, man. You're going to see some insight information that's going to come through. You don't want to miss it. Thank you, everybody. We'll talk to you next week.